Hey guys, welcome back to My Colourful Country Life. In today's video, I will be sharing 6 powerful purple colour combinations with you all as our next installment in the Neocolor 2 colour combination series. I have set up a playlist for the Neocolor 2 combinations up on the channel, and I will add that link to the video description. So if you are watching this at a later date, you can click the link and see all of the combinations all in one place. And if you are new to Neocolor 2s or you'd like a refresher on how to use them, I do have a full beginner-friendly tutorial that will walk you through step by step how I use these crayons, and that is linked down below in the video description as well. You will also find links to download today's purple combination worksheet, a blank version of this worksheet if you want to create your own combinations, or perhaps use it to record combinations for other wet mediums, and also copies of my full swatch chart for the 84 set and my conversion chart from Neocolor 2 to Prismacolor pencils as well, which is great if you don't own this medium, but perhaps you want to follow along with one of my color alongs and use a matching pencil combination instead. Or if you have some of these colors but not all of them, that will help you out. Now, I am using colors from the full 84 set today and swatching the combinations on some cardstock. So I'll be swatching and activating each one on screen with you all, and I will be using my trusty Arteza water brush here to activate the colors, and I do have a microfiber cloth over here just to make sure that my brush stays clean and the colors don't muddy as well. So you're going to see me activate from light to dark, and I will be wiping the brush off between colors just to make sure my blends stay clean and smooth. So today I'm only going to be doing one layer, but I do recommend doing 2 layers. Depending on your paper and how well it takes water, no more than 3. 2 layers, however, will give you a beautiful, vibrant finish with your Neocolor 2 crayons. So on that note, I will zoom you in and we can start swatching. First up, we have black, indigo blue, aubergine, purple violet, and mauve. This is a deep dramatic combination that's perfect for night skies, galaxy backgrounds, or mystical elements. It also works beautifully for gothic or fantasy themed pages where you want a bit of a mysterious atmosphere. This next combination blends indigo blue, lilac, violet and mauve. It's a cooler purple blend with a soft glow at the base. This one is ideal for enchanted, moody clouds, moonlit scenes, or flower petals like pansies and violets. It has a dreamy quality that's perfect for magical or even romantic pages. This blend combines indigo blue, lilac, purple violet and pink. This one has a balanced mix of moody and bright, making it great for fairy wings, magical glowing effects, or even fantasy hairstyles. That hint of pink just gives it a fun twist. This next combination includes aubergine, lilac, purple violet, and purple. It is rich and velvety, beautiful for florals, potions, jewels, or fabrics. This one will be stunning on pages featuring witches and crystals or mysterious mythical creatures. This combination features indigo blue, royal blue, periwinkle blue, and sky blue. This is a more blue-toned, cool purple blend that has a lovely, cool twilight vibe. It's perfect for stormy skies, magical oceans, or frosty page details. A beautiful transition from dark to airy. And finally, our last blend features aubergine, violet, mauve, and light cobalt blue hue. This one is soft but still moody, lovely for lavender fields, floral borders, decorative patterns, or even shaded skin for fantasy creatures. It's got a gentle, magical feel about it. Okay guys, here are our 6 powerful purple colour combinations with our Neocolor 2 crayons. Purple is such a fun, pretty colour. I cannot pick a favourite today. I love all of these colour combinations. This one here though, I have used quite recently in Dark Fairy Tales, and it is on my desk right now. So I'll show you what it looks like on a colouring page, and that is it there on my Queen of Hearts. And you can see how beautiful and vibrant those colours are. So that is using 1 layer, and this is using 2 layers, and you can just see the vibrancy that those Neocolor 2 crayons have. Such beautiful bold colours. So I hope this gives you some inspiration for your next colouring project. If you would like to swatch along or save these combinations, everything I have used today is linked in the description box down below as usual, including this purple combination worksheet, the blank combination worksheet, my swatch chart, and the conversion chart that matches these to Prismacolor pencils. And if you do end up using any of these combinations in your colouring books, I would absolutely love to see your completed pages. Please tag me on Instagram or Facebook so I can check out your beautiful work. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you all again very soon with our next colour in the series. So take care, happy colouring, and bye for now.